How to use auto-clicker on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you use auto-clicker on Android. To do it so, you have to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, there isn't an inbuilt option in the Android itself. You have to use the install application. So you want to go ahead and make sure to open up your respective app store or Play Store. And on the search box, you want to type in auto-clicker. And here you could go ahead and find out a bunch of auto-clicker that's available. So like I said, you could go ahead and install any of these. So I'm just going to go with the first one, that is auto-clicker automatic tick. You just have to make sure to wait for it and click the open button, since you have to enable to access all that. So here, if you're sure about it, click the OK button. And then you want to make sure to follow the prompt and toggle the button for this and click on allow. Once you do it so, you also want to make sure to go ahead and enable other features as well. And after that, exit out of this page. Right on top, you could find this auto-clicker option right over here. Or else you could just go ahead and click on the open button, or just tap on the auto-clicker if you want to use it so. And make sure to enable it. And as you enable it, you could see this sort of section right over here. So then what you need to do is to enable it. So you would just want to exit out of this. And let's say if you want to do it something like if you want to remove the followers, then you just make sure to go to the Instagram and then go to this page, go to the following, and you could just go ahead and make sure to tap on it just like this. And if you want to add it more, you could just go ahead and make sure to tap on like this, add it so. And that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.